This 2024 Winnebago Vista 29NP is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.